Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Alright, in this video, I will explain you guys the tutorial on how to disable Google Smart Lock on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Okay, without further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, so for those who don't know what Google Smart Lock is, so I want to explain Google Smart Lock is a feature to store our password like this. And then to remove this notification save password, then you can return to main display of Google Chrome like this. You can go to Google Chrome and then on the top you can click over there and you can go to settings, and there will be several options. So now you can go for password manager and you can click on the grid icon over there. So now you can disable offer to save password. Then the Google Smart Lock is no longer active anymore. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.